Here at the Technology Learning Center, we have a ton of items that patrons can come in and use to learn and create with. Our 3D printers can make a whole bunch of creative 3D models. Patrons can ask us to print 3D models found on websites like Thingiverse, and come pick them up from the library. There are a ton of 3D models to pick and choose from, like our little huggable ghost here. With our virtual reality headset, you can dive into one of our many games and activities and be surrounded by whole new worlds. Slice up some fruit with Fruit Ninja or make some 3D works of art in Tilt Brush. Come learn with one of our many robots, pilot our rolling Sphero, or meet our playful Dash. We have a bunch of robot friends to come and meet. We also have many hands-on activities you can create and play with. We have all sorts of activities including dominoes, marbles, straw beats, Keva planks, and many more. Our Cricut cutter can make awesome cutouts used for anything you can think of. Make neat paper crafts like this spooky Halloween house. We can also help you create things by using one of our many tools, like our poster printer. If you have Minecraft at home, we also have a Minecraft server that you can join and play along with your friends in. We have activities every month that you can come and join. We also have our summer STEAM events and our yearly New Jersey Makers Day, which is filled with a whole bunch of fun activities from playing on some pumpkin drums to creating digital finger paint art. We have new things to experience each year. If you're looking for a craft to do at home with the family, we've been making videos on our Facebook for a whole bunch of things to create. While the Technology Learning Center is waiting for when everyone can be brought back safely, we hope to see you all again once the Caton County Library can open back up to the public. Have a wonderful rest of the year from your friends at the Technology Learning Center.